Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
Okay, this is Fire Escape Engineers in Brooklyn, and we're, let's see, we're the four floors, and let me begin the video. Okay, let's describe the platform. The railing is the usual 2 inches by 3/8 inch thick. That's the top rail. Then you got the ballast rod 6 inches apart. They're 1/2 inch square solid. Then we go to the bottom. That's 1.5 inches and 1/4 inch. And we have 14 treads. The treads are made up of 3 slats, 1.5 inches wide. They're riveted to a clip, and then the clip is bolted to the stringer. The stringer is 4 inch by 1/4 inch. Okay, and then we have railings on both sides of the stairway here, and we've got one side is the ornamental flat, the other side is 3/4 solid. Your brackets are 2.5 inches by 3/8. That bar on top goes all the way in to the building, and then we've got that bends and is bolted, and then we've got the usual 3/4 inch square that forms the hypotenuse and the part that goes against the wall. We do have a slight slanting on this fire escape. We do have a skew in the stair, in the flights themselves, and then we have extreme rust and rust jacking at all the joints. You can see how that's pulling apart there. Your overall dimensions are like 3 by 12, and we're going to start our descent down. Again, all the steps are in very poor condition. All the treads, and extreme rust and rust jacking at the treads, at the connection clip, and also where the clip meets the stringer. Okay, let me start down here, and just going to go down gingerly. Everything's very spongy, and going to come down at a nice slow pace here. Everything's redundant. You can see the rust and rust jacking as they go down, and come down again. There are 14 treads, and it's our usual rust and rust jacking. Very poor condition. Okay, you have all this blockage here. I moved it a little bit just so I could get through. This should not be on the fire escape. Okay. Slow here. Okay, we're on the last one, and let me just give you some shots underneath. Give you a shot of the bracket, and then let me give you a shot of Yep. We'll give you a shot there, shot here. You see how poor it is at the clip. And we've got this last little piece down here. Okay, let me give you a shot of the hanging system for the little ladder. Little ladder runs fine, and it's not heavy because it's just a very short run. And we've got this last part. Okay, let me continue coming down here. This is again A1 at 223 43rd Street in Brooklyn. Just going to continue on and come very gingerly here because of the condition of these treads. Very, very spongy. Okay. Down. Do this. And then this is the little ladder down. And again, we have rust and rust jacking all over the place. This concludes the inspector summary video. Fire escape engineers.
Load test still may be required by the AHJ. Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Fire escape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report.